Hello everyone, welcome to the 5 minutes Power BI videos. So today we're going to learn to make the donut chart and the pie chart in Power BI. It's very simple thing. Basically, it's just kind of a way to see the things differently. We have already made the bar charts and the other line charts, so we can use the same information, but we can use the pie chart or the donut chart to have a different look of it, right? So let's create that one. For instance, this is the icon for the pie chart and the adjacent one is the donut chart because it looks like a donut, so that is why it's a donut chart. The idea of these two visuals are this, that you just want to, whenever you want to see the contribution of any particular thing in overall results or outcome, then you can use this part. For instance, in our case we have the superstore data and we have regions as well. So if I want to see that which region has the highest share of profit and or the highest number of profit, and which region has the lowest number of profit, so this chart, this visual will help us to give a different bifurcation or different view for each particular region. So let's make it, then we will learn it more in after making that part. First, so let's click on pie chart. First, I have just clicked that on it and I will just make it a little bigger to have a better visibility. All right, and we want to see the performance of, let's say, regions in terms of their profit. So if you have noticed that I just clicked these two things after choosing my visual type, it automatically has put the relevant fields in particular relevant areas, right? If you are not going to um, make if you want to drag it, you can also click and drag and drop over here. Now what we are having over here, let's make it in a focus mode to see it a bigger way. Now you can see that this is the sum of profit. It is giving us the value of the profit in terms of money or dollar or currency, and also the percentage of contribution in overall profit of that superstore. In our case, we can see that the west region is giving the highest profit ratio for 37.86%, followed by east, and then we have south, and then we have central region. So basically this tells the share of each region in overall profit of the company, that which region is performing well and which region is performing badly. You can also see that wherever we have the highest profit, we also have, I mean, the highest profit ratio, we also have the number of the sale, or you can say the profit in terms of currency or number, that is also in a bigger number. For example, we have 108k over here, we have 39k in central, so it's kind of low. This means that we maybe are not having good profit from this region as compared to other regions. We can also see sales instead of profit. Let's click on that part. Now you can see it's giving a better picture. In west we have the highest number of sales, 725k, right? But in center we have comparatively low, and south we have the least sales in terms of in comparison to other regions. So the idea of this chart is, you see, it has given you the proportion for each region, that which region is contributing how much in that particular aspect. For example, in our case we are checking the sales by region. So the similar visual can be shifted to the donut one. I just click on donut chart and it will just convert the view towards the donut part. Other everything is same. Every field over here you will see is kind of same. No major difference. If you want to make it from scratch, you can also do it from scratch. For instance, I just revert it um, to the pie chart, and let me just go back and click outside this visual. Then I am okay to open to use any other visual. I will just click the donut chart. I will use the sales, and I will use the, for instance, um, where's the region, there is a region like this one. See, it's the same thing, just this different way of viewing the things in terms of the visual part, right? So this is how easy it is to make the donut chart or the pie chart in Power BI. You can then further use this tab, the formatting of visuals, to make different changes over that part. For instance, if you want to change the color of the slices, you can also change from here in going to the format visual tab, or if you want to make any details on or off, like here you can see the data labels are outside, right, of the visual. From here you can also check if you want to put it inside, or in any other way you want to do that part. Also you can also choose which value to show over here. Currently we are having the data value, which is this, for example, sales, and the percentage of contribution as well, which is in this part is 31%. If you want to put only one thing, then you can choose over here as well, right? So these are all different options. In the values part, you can just again make them little bit bold, or give them little bit different color. For instance, I just use bright color so that it's visible to you guys. Otherwise it's all your choice to, I mean, how do you want to see it in different way. All right guys, so this is it for donut chart and pie chart. I hope you have learned the basics and now you are able to create that part. I will see you in the next videos.